Hi, my name's Tom, and I had Stewart come in this spring to do the yard for us. It was in pretty bad shape. He even admitted that. He said I was going to need a lot of work, but he put down some good grass seed, some fertilizer, told me how to water it and take care of it. And I'm going to say within the next 2 weeks I started to see the grass start to get greener. I got thicker, kept watering it like he said to do, and now the grass is twice as good as it's ever been. And now he's come out this fall. This is in September right now, so he's come out to do the aeration and new seeding and new fertilizer, and I'm sure it's going to kick off during the winter and it'll look twice as good as it did this next spring. So look forward to having Stewart come out in the spring, and we'll do it again. Thanks, Stewart.
Thank you very much.